How to pay later on Temu. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Temu app. Make sure you are signed in, and now, in order to move forward with the pay later process, you need to make a purchase. So, go ahead and scroll through and add a few products on your cart. Once you have added products on your cart, tap on your cart and further tap on the checkout button. Now, fill in your shipping address and other required details and move towards the Payment Methods tab. In here, go ahead and select the Afterpay radio button you see there. This is the Buy Now Pay Later service that allows you to split your payment into 4 interest-free installments. Further, you will be required to set up your Afterpay account with Temu. After linking your Afterpay account, you will see the installment schedule that outlines how much you will pay every 2 weeks. This is typically split into 4 equal parts. Review the payment terms and conditions and confirm your order. After selecting Afterpay and confirming your purchase, Afterpay will conduct an approval process. They may check your account to ensure you are eligible for their payment plan. Once approved, you will get an instant order confirmation and you can start enjoying your products while paying over time. After your purchase is confirmed, you can manage and track your Afterpay payments directly through the Afterpay app or website. So, this is how you can pay later on Temu app. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.